13 months after Singzo Chabangu was caught on camera by Simba Chikanza executing a murder cover-up after being exposed by IPU Parliament as a political imposter, the man has finally confessed with his own mouth that he is an agent of Mr. Mnangagwa to help him illegally rule the country perpetually. Sana mashoko aiwa anobuda tuna kuti Singzo Chabangu yachifumuro zvakanyanyisa aiwa panapa toba subscribe like on the bell icon panapa chokwadi chaunyatsokufovilika tichiona vanhu vemuzimu aiwa vanonyora vachiti this development seals evidence around the murder cover-up operations which have been captured on camera by Zimu Eye News Network during an undercover investigative that lasted several weeks, proving with impeccable detail that the man is no politician at all. Evidence now put together may put Mr. Chabangu and his boss Emmerson Mnangagwa into the category of the dictator of Venezuela, Nicolas Maduro, who have been slapped with an international arrest warrant by United States agents. Chabangu finally made the grand announcement yesterday at the ZANU-PF Leaders Cricket Farm in Kwekwe, saying his fake opposition party exists in order to improve Mnangagwa's stay in power. He said, "I'm so proud to represent the opposition, His Excellency." In the morning, he said the role of opposition is to criticize constructively the ruling party so that the ruling party can stay in power, so that the opposition can remain in opposition. But Your Excellency, we are here as a family to contest the status quo because we are Zimbabweans. We are here, Your Excellency. If we improve your stay in power and the people of Zimbabwe are happy, let it be. Thomas Wanaito pana Singzo Chabangu anyaso kuprova kuti aiwa mukomana uyu aiwa vari kuramba vachitowedzera mazimbe panyaya inozikamwa kuti aiwa macitizens ari kana kutomboenzwa zvatiri kuona kuti Singzo Chabangu ari kuisa mutungamiri wenyika inozonda Mnangagwa munguva yakaoma. noda kuti panapa nyika dzose dzakutoziva kuti aiwa munyika yeZimbabwe hamusina opposition yakadestroy ne the ruling party ZANU-PF kuti irambe ichistay on to power. Tidza mafunguro eyi moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, on the bell icon.